Classic Pilates with Sean Vigue of SeanVigueFitness.com. There I am on this beautiful wintry day. Thank you for clicking on this video. I am your official YouTube Pilates instructor guy. For maximum performance, Pilates, we do it daily. Make sure you check in below, subscribe, like, and share this video on. All right, breathing in the nose and out the mouth. We're going to begin with the Pilates 100 on your back, legs to tabletop, or extend them out. Arms to the sides, breathing in for 5 counts as you pump the arms. Exhale for 5 as you pump the arms. 100 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last set. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 100. Shoulders back and down. Abs are tight. Breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Keep your mind focused. We're going to flow from one exercise to the next. Moving into the roll-up. 4 repetitions. Legs in front. Draw the toes towards you. Get that off the mat. Shoulders back and down. Keep it loose. Arms up over the head. Exhale, tuck the chin, rolling down 1 vertebrae at a time. Exhale, peel the spine off the mat. Come on up, little shimmy there, reaching up and over the toes. 4 times, massaging the spine up and down like a wheel. Squeeze the legs together tight. Tuck the chin as you roll down. And tuck the chin as you hinge forward. You can also place the fingers on the mat. But with an obscene amount of control and flow and precision. 4 times with the roll-up. There's an extra stretch right there, pressing the backs of the knees down. Moving into the saw, 10 repetitions. Heels to the edges of the mat. Draw the toes towards you. Shoulders back, tall, arms out. Sitting tall. Twist, and then pulse. Pulse, reaching to the outside of the foot. Inhale, center, and exhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Here's repetition number 3. Exhale, exhale. Look to the back arm. Lift, twist. 4. Always reclaim that strong, tall posture. 5. Inhale. And 6 on this glorious sunny day. 7. Long lines. 8. Great focus, great concentration. 2 more times. Big twist, loosening up the sides, lengthening the spine, and building that strong core, abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Next up is the seated twist. Legs together, shoulders back, chest is open, arms out. 10 repetitions. Pulse, pulse, inhale, center. Exhale, exhale, inhale. In the nose, out the mouth. There's 3. 4, keep your posture strong. 5, shoulders back and down. 6. 7, let the second twist take you all the way in. 8. 9, and one more time. 10. Seated twist. Now the big 5 classic Pilates ab exercises. Starting with single leg stretch. Draw the right knee in. Let's do it with style. Dumbledore's got style. Bring it down. Right knee in. Left leg out 10 times. This is called single leg stretch. Inhale, exhale. Balance out the sides. Make sure your lower back is imprinted into the mat, working with an obscene amount of precision. Now double leg stretch 10 times. Inhale, extend out, circle around, pull the knees in. 2, the upper body barely moves. 3, in the nose, out the mouth. 4, 5, extending and expanding the body at all times in Pilates. It's dynamic flow. It flows from one exercise to the next, and you build and get stronger with every repetition. All right, single straight leg stretch 10 times. Reach high in the leg, shoulders back and down. Pulse, pulse, inhale, switch. Pulse, pulse, switch. 10 repetitions. Stabilize your core, stabilize your center, your abdominals, your lower back, hips and glutes. You're stabilizing against the movement of the legs. Now the crisscross. Right leg 90 degrees. We twist, switch 10 times. Very slow and intoxicatingly brutal. Exhale, lift the chest, not the elbow. Notice my elbow is not touching my knee or leg. Keep it open, keep it clean, keep the emphasis on the abdominals. Now double straight leg stretch, 6 repetitions. Hands under the hips, flex the feet. Inhale, lower, point, exhale, up. Smooth lines, bend the knees to modify. But keep the flow going, keep the intensity going as we progressively destabilize your body with each exercise. Each one adds a little bit more. It forces your body to adapt. All right, now the glorious part, windshield wipers, or windshield wipers, however you say that. That might be a regional thing. The pronunciation, drop the legs side to side, arms are out. Nice opening in the chest. Single leg kicks coming next. 10 times. Let's bring it down onto our forearms. Elbows under the shoulders, draw the shoulders back, open the chest. We're going to alternate, kick the legs. Are we ready? Here we go. Exhale, exhale, inhale. Point, flex down. 3, 4. A lot of power there. 5, 6. Now we got it. 7, 8. Open the upper body. 9, 10. Now double leg kick 6 times. Bring a cheek down, hands to the lower back. Both the legs are going to kick. Here we go. Kick, kick. Inhale, lift, arms back. Other cheek comes down. Point, flex, lift. Now one more time with the arms reaching back. And now we have the option to lace the fingers behind us. 3 more. Lace the fingers, open it up. Always cracking open our posture, our breath, our alignment, and improving how our body moves with every breath. Nice extra lift there on the end, extra stretch. Now swim fast, opposite arm, opposite leg. You can go slow, like so, or speed it up, adding a little cardio element. Just like that. Breathe in for 5 counts through the nose. Exhale for 5 through the mouth. Open breathing. Breathe into your front, sides, and back. Always expanding the breath as we expand everything else. With Pilates, lifting, Superman pose. All right, let's finish off with Pilates push-ups. 4 repetitions. Come to the back edge of the mat. Standing tall, shoulders back and down. Fix the cap for no reason. Tuck the chin. Diving down. A little softness in the knees. Walk out to plank. 1 to 3 push-ups or just hold the plank. I'm going to do 1. Walking back, stretching the backs of the legs. Rising up, stacking the spine, shoulders back and down. Exhale, dive. Smooth movements. Whatever you do on the Pilates mat in your Pilates workout, you will do throughout your day. Whatever sport or activity you love to do, Pilates will enhance it tenfold. Diving down. Walk it out. Elbows in. Push up and back. Rising up. All right, 1 more time. So sad and so exciting at the same time. Keep the shoulders loose. Body is loose. You have all this natural ability. Get out of your own way. Pilates teaches us that. There's a nice slow push-up. A little smile to the camera. Walk it back. Sink the heels down. Inhale, rising up. Beautiful workout, my friends. Fantastic work. Check in below. If you like this workout, please subscribe. Hit that like button and share it with everybody. I am going to mosey down the driveway. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.